Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our chapter 7, Friendship Day. Let's start our reading. Students, this is our chapter 7, Friendship Day. As you know, students, like Mother Day, Father's Day, we also celebrate Friendship Day. It is celebrated all over the world and it is celebrated on first Sunday of August every year. Let's start the reading. Like Mother's Day and Father's Day, Friendship Day is celebrated all over the world. It is celebrated to focus on the importance of friendship in our life. However, it is celebrated in different ways as per the culture of each country. Let's see how children in this lesson celebrate Friendship Day. Dear students, beta way of celebration the children day friendship day is different in different places. Okay, people and children celebrate friendship day in different ways. Let's see in this chapter how children celebrate the friendship day. Miss Nidhi Sood entered the class looking as cheerful as ever. The children wished her excitedly. They knew that they had to discuss and plan a life skill project for the coming week. Miss Nidhi Sood, she is a teacher. As she entered the class, cheerful means happy. Happily she entered the class and children wished her excitedly means full of excitement because there was a life skill project in the coming week. As they settled down, Nidhi said, "Children, Friendship Day falls on the first Sunday of August every year. Since Sunday is a holiday, we all will celebrate it on coming Monday." मिस निधि ने कहा कि बिकॉज देयर इज ए संडे सो वी विल सेलिब्रेट फ्रेंडशिप डे ऑन मंडे 4th of August. It is an important day for all of us. Our next life skill project will be related to it. You see, friends add a new meaning to life. They help us through thick and thin, and it is a joy to be with them. Let us celebrate this friendship day in a special way. The students nodded. Yes, ma'am. Can anyone give a suggestion? मिस निधि ने बच्चों को कहा कि हम फ्रेंडशिप डे कमिंग मंडे सेलिब्रेट करेंगे और इसके डिफरेंट वेज हैं. कैन एनीवन गिव सजेशन हाउ वी कैन सेलिब्रेट फ्रेंडशिप डे? Ruchi was sitting in the last row. Ma'am, we always tie friendship bands to our friends and give them cards also. Kritin stood up. Ma'am, I think we should have a small class party. Nidhi said. Okay, anyone else? Rahman got up next. We can bring one of our favorite dishes that is specially prepared during festivals. We can share our food with all the friends in class. That will be fun, said most of the students. The teacher smiled. Let the dishes be a surprise. Remember, we should always share our things, especially our favorite things, with others and be good friends. So the preparation for the D-Day began. Now, students, beta, it was finalized that students will bring the dishes that they prepare ओनली ऑन फेस्टिवल्स. जो फेस्टिवल पे डिशेस बनती हैं वो लेके आएंगे फ्रेंडशिप डे सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए. ये फाइनल हो गया क्लास में. एंड डी डे मीन्स दैट इम्पॉर्टेंट डे ऑन विच सम एक्टिविटीज आर डन. जिसमें कुछ एक्टिविटीज की जाती हैं, कोई ऐसा स्पेशल इम्पॉर्टेंट डे, दैट इज कॉल्ड डी डे. Some children prepared handmade cards and some made friendship bands. They discussed with their mothers about the dishes to be taken to the class. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने हैंडमेड कार्ड्स बनाए, कुछ ने फ्रेंडशिप बैंड्स, एंड दे ऑल्सो डिस्कस विद देयर मदर्स अबाउट द डिशेज. As the bell rang for the lunch break on Monday, the day of celebrations, children took out their lunch boxes, cans, and packets of food. They wished Nidhi ma'am and one another happy Friendship Day. Friendship bands were tied and cards were exchanged. There were a smile on every face. जैसे ही बेल हुई लंच ब्रेक की, the students opened their lunch boxes. They smiled and wished Nidhi ma'am happy friendship day. फ्रेंडशिप बैंड्स वर टाइड, एक दूसरे को फ्रेंडशिप बैंड बांधे गए, कार्ड्स एक्सचेंज किए गए. एवरी वन वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. जसपिंदर सेड, आई हैव गोट छोले भटूरे. आई हैव ऑल्सो ब्रॉट सम हलवा फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. These are usually prepared on Guru Purab. Please have it, friends. Rafiq also opened his lunch box. Please have the semia that my mother has prepared for you all. We have it especially during Eid ul Fitr. Madhumita said, all this looks so tempting. My mother has sent rasgullas, a special dessert for you all. Meanwhile, Christina took out a packet. Friends, you all must have this cake that I got. Now students, as you are seeing that all students have brought some dishes, some things prepared by their mothers, like Jaspinder brought chole bhature and halwa, Rafiq brought semia, Madhumita brought rasgullas, and Christina brought a cake. All were very happy and they were exchanging their dishes with each other. Now Reena said, that looks as delicious as a Christmas cake. Well, I have got sweets for you all. Mother always prepared this during Mahavir Jayanti. She woke up early and made this for you all. Now Reena said, the cake is very delicious and she brought some sweets and that is prepared during Mahavir Jayanti. Today her mother prepared for the friendship day. Ritu chuckled, what variety! I have got gujiyas that are prepared during Holi. रितु ने हैप्पीली मुस्कुराते हुए कहा, कितनी वैरायटी है हमारे पास. I have also brought gujiyas that are prepared during Holi festival. Rahman was quite so far, smiling at everyone. He spoke loudly. Please listen to me now. I have brought biryani for everyone. Soon everyone shared the food, offering each other various dishes. अब रहमान क्या लेके आया? बिरयानी. Now everyone was happy because they were sharing their food. Ruchi was a somewhat aloof. Aloof means alone. वो अकेली बैठी थी रुचि. Nidhi looked at her. Ruchi, what is the matter? Join others and enjoy. Ruchi went close to her and spoke softly. I couldn't bring anything today. My mother has gone out of station for some work. I am sorry. Nidhi bent towards her. It doesn't matter, dear. I am sure everyone will be very glad to share the eatables with you. Come on, children. Let Ruchi also join you all. Now Ruchi, a student in their class, she was sitting alone. Because her mother is out of town, so she has not brought anything for the celebration of Friendship Day. Now Nidhi ma'am went to her and come with her to join the party. Within minutes, Ruchi was smiling like others and busy enjoying herself. Ruchi added, ma'am, can we keep some food aside for those children who live near our school on the streets? Their parents are construction workers. बेटा construction workers होते हैं जो रोड पे काम करते हैं, construction का कोई बिल्डिंग में बनाने में लेबर लगी होती है, रोड बनाने में, उनके बच्चे गलियों में ही रहते हैं. तो बच्चों ने डिसाइड किया, स्कूल के बच्चों ने, कि वो कुछ डिशेस बचा के रखेंगे ताकि वो कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर्स के जो चिल्ड्रन हैं जो स्ट्रीट्स पे रहते हैं उनको दे सके. मिस निधि नोटेड, यस, व्हाई नॉट, keep some food aside in this packet. She felt very happy as she watched the children sharing, caring and offering each other something or the other to eat. There was laughter and cheer in the air. She said to herself, I know they will spread this love all around. Now Miss Nidhi was very happy to see that all children are sharing and caring to each other. Once the party was over, Miss Nidhi said, children, clean your desk and keep your boxes and packets neatly in your bags. I noticed that none of you dropped any trash on the floor. You all used the dustbin. Good. मिस निधि ने बच्चों की प्रेज की कि उन्होंने कुछ भी रैपर्स वगैरह फ्लोर पे नहीं फेंके. दे ऑल थ्रो एवरीथिंग इन द डस्टबिन. क्रिस्टीना सेड, एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, वी विल सेलिब्रेट फ्रेंडशिप डे दिस वे एवरी ईयर. मिस निधि स्माइल. Sure, you all should remember that friendship is very valuable. You all have learned about sharing and caring. It strengthens the bond of friendship. Friends, strengthen means मजबूत होना, स्ट्रॉन्ग बनना. इससे फ्रेंडशिप की जो हमारी बॉन्डिंग है बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है. यू शुड हेल्प योर फ्रेंड्स इन नीड. ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स सेड यस मैम. Miss Nidhi continued. Now I want you all to write 2 short paragraphs about this celebration. What does friendship mean to you? You must mention the names of dishes which are prepared during festivals, different festival celebrations that were brought by your friends. Now Miss Nidhi told the students to write a paragraph on the celebration. They have to mention the dish's name also. The children go down to work. The teacher continued. Remember that you may come from different backgrounds or believe in different religions or your mother tongue may vary. Vary means different. कि आप अलग अलग रिलीजन से बिलोंग करते हो, आपकी मदर टंग डिफरेंट है, बट when you share and care you are always good friends. बट जब आप कुछ शेयर करते हो, एक दूसरे से केयर करते हो, then you are only friends. That is the true meaning of friendship. The children said in a clear voice, yes ma'am. All children agreed with Nidhi ma'am. They said yes. Miss Nidhi further added, I will take this packet of food that you all have kept aside. I will give it to the children of construction workers when I leave in the afternoon. Some of you who live nearby can come along. A few students raised their hands. Yes, ma'am, we will. Miss Nidhi now decided to distribute the food to the children of construction workers, and some students also joined Miss Nidhi. I hope students this chapter is clear to you. Thank you.